Fresh into stock at Guaranteed Motors. Nissan Qashqai. It's a 66 plate. The daytime running lights. We've got 86,541 miles on the clock and a very nice spec inside. So we've got touchscreen nav system with all-round cameras and reverse camera, so you can see what's at the side, front and rear. We've got dual zone climate control, 6-speed manual gearbox and electrically heated seats, steering wheel controls with cruise control, electric folding mirrors, lane departure warning, and electrically adjustable heated seats. Nice big boot with split levels for additional storage, and you can drop that boot floor down completely if you want the extra depth. And as with all cars at Guaranteed Motors, we are the local RAC approved dealership for Bury St Edmunds, and you get 6 months RAC warranty, 12 months breakdown cover and an 82-point RAC approved preparation check, all as standard. Call Guaranteed Motors today.